Please subscribe, and you can download this code from description below. Title: using the redirect command to input of another in Python. Introduction. In Python, the ability to redirect the output of one command as the input for another command is a powerful feature. This allows you to chain multiple commands together, creating a streamlined and efficient workflow. In this tutorial, we will explore how to use the subprocess module to redirect the output of one command as the input for another in Python, along with code examples. Prerequisites. To use the subprocess module, you first need to import it. This module allows you to spawn new processes, connect to their input/output/error pipes, and obtain their return codes. Let's start with a simple example. We'll use the echo command to produce some output and then redirect that output as input to the grep command to search for a specific string within it. In this example, we use subprocess.check_output to execute both the echo and grep commands. The output from the first command, echo, is passed as input to the second command, grep, using the input parameter. You can also redirect the output of a command to a file and then use that file as input for another command. Here's an example. In this example, we first use the echo command to produce output and redirect it to a file named output.txt. Then, we use the cat command to process the content of the output.txt file. When redirecting output as input between commands, it's important to handle errors. You can do this by using try except blocks and checking the return codes of the subprocess commands. In this example, we use a try except block to catch any errors that may occur during the execution of the commands and print the error message along with the return code. Conclusion. Redirecting the output of one command as the input for another in Python can be a valuable tool for creating complex workflows and automating tasks. By using the subprocess module, you can easily accomplish this task while handling errors gracefully. Experiment with different commands and workflows to see how you can leverage this feature in your own projects. ChatGPT.